He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keep it in street. We keep it in street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap.
All right, guys. So basically, this is my phone, and pretty much due to my busy and hectic schedule, as you guys already know, I am a pharmacist. I work throughout the morning. So typically I make my trades on my phone. Okay. As of right now, if you are familiar with my strategy, which is simply the resist and the support line strategy that I love so much, what I'm doing is just kind of looking at my higher time frames as well as my lower time frames so that I can figure out what is the ultimate trend. And then based on the trend, those are the type of market execution or pending orders that I am looking to find. So as of right now, I noticed that basically, ultimately, the market is looking as if it is going into a downtrend. So I am looking for a down position. And just kind of looking at the 15-minute chart, I use the 15-minute chart as an entry point. Typically that works for me, just so that I can get a good price entry. Now, others may look at the hour chart to get a price entry point. It really just ultimately depends on you, as well as your comfortability, as well as what, what trading style you typically use. So as you can see right here, I'm just kind of lining up my trend lines here just to kind of get a good estimate to see if possibly the market may do a transition where it will bounce off this trend line and then go into a buy opportunity. So within this account, I only had $1,000. However, I'm going to show you guys how you can make $700 within an hour. So what I do is I like to go into a 0.5. Comment down below and let me know what is 0.5. What does 0.5 stand for as far as the lot size? Okay, and this is for any pair that you typically trade. But I always trade with 0.5. And I put the price at 35,238. I always go ahead and try to put my price right there as soon as possible. And then that's when I will go in and look for a take profit. So if you're always doing like a pending order and you just want to make sure that you get into that position before the market just, kind of gets to the point where it's already at your price line, just go ahead and just put the price line that you're looking for, just place it into the price entry. And then you can always go back and set up your stop loss as well as your TP, because you can always go back and modify it. So that's pretty much what I did. Typically, when it comes to trades that I am very, very confident into, I always do 2 of the same trades. So as you guys can see, I have 2 positions at the same price line. And then here I go is I find my take profit, which is going to be 35,204. Okay, and then from here, this is when I was at work. So again, I can't really necessarily just watch my phone 24/7 as I would like to. So I did come back around 12:35, as you guys can see, and it's looking really good. It's looking really good. It's looking really good. So we're up 600.